Yeah. Yeah. I win. Guys, I am playing now Shadow Fight 2. Have you played that game? If you not play, so download it now and play it. Play it. Guys, that game is so amazing and I like ninjas. So in that games there are ninjas also, and they use various type of weapons like ninja stars, katana sword, and what we they there are so many others like claws. I have uploaded already short on the how to make ninja claws with paper. Now today's video's topic is how to make a ninja star. Just a minute, I can show you. Guys, have you seen? That is so fast. Now see in slow motion. Guys, that is so amazing ninja star. You can see. Let me focus. Guys, this is so amazing, and if you want to make it, so watch this video till end. And so hello guys, welcome to my channel Art and Craft Bot. This is how to make a ninja star. So let's go to make. Guys, our ninja stars are done, and if you like this video, so press on that like button and subscribe to our channel, and press on that bell icon button to get notification of our videos first, and subscribe to my second channel RG the Cyclist, and subscribe. That link is given in below description, and subscribe to our vlogging channel Aditya and Rosation Vlogs. That link is also given into the description box. Go and check it out, and subscribe to our both channel. And how is it? So do comment and say us it is bad or nice. If you like this video, so press on the like, or not like, so press on dislike. So we will meet in the next video. For that time, bye.